Hello everyone, I'm Ann Baldwin and welcome to this edition of Law Talks. I'm joined today by attorney Ray Hassett from the law firm of Hassett and George. And today we're talking about a very interesting issue and something that can have some pretty serious legal implications, and that is house parties. You know, every time of the year there's always a reason for a celebration, but what people need to understand are the legal ramifications should you have a party at your house.
Absolutely. The ramifications are simple and they're very complex at the same time. Basically, you can be sued civilly. In other words, damages can be sought from you if in fact you're having a house party and someone becomes impaired or intoxicated and leaves your premises. That predominantly pertains though to minors as opposed to adults. There's the presumption in the law is if you're an adult and you consume alcohol at a party, you kind of do it at your own risk. However, if the individual that's having the house party is providing you with alcohol knowing that you're intoxicated, then that raises the level and potentially exposes you to civil liability. In addition, there's criminal liability. Dispensing alcohol, especially to a minor, can be a felony charge depending on the age of the individual. So at house parties, while we all have them and we all want to have social events, you do have to be cognizant of the fact that it does create a potential legal nightmare if you're not cautious and you're not watching the distribution of alcohol.
What if you're not home? What if the parents are away, they're on vacation, they don't know? Are you still liable?
You can be liable if you have some implicit knowledge or you're aware of the fact that there's a house party that's going to happen, or if there's prior history, or if you haven't taken adequate precautions to secure the alcohol. And that happens very often, where you have some idea that there might be a party that's going on, and with the advent of social media, these parties they start off small and they escalate.
Take on a life of their own.
They sure do, and that exposes the owner of the property to, again, civil and potentially criminal liability.
Some very interesting and important information that you need to know. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Law Talks. Of course, additional information is on the website at hgesq.com.